In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in an invoice using Zoho Books. If you're managing business finances with Zoho Books, knowing how to customize invoices with your bank details is crucial for seamless payment processing. It's a straightforward process, but offering a detailed guide can smooth the path to making it happen. Let's dive right in. Start your journey by navigating to the highly informative Settings section. You can reach it by clicking the gear icon located at the top right corner of your Zoho Books page. This area is your command center for all customizations and general settings, so get used to finding your way here as it is quite essential. Once you're within the settings, look for the customization section. This is where you can find PDF templates, which is your next destination. Customization is key when it comes to business documents, so this is where you can adjust your invoice design to include necessary details like your bank information. Now within PDF templates, spot the option for Invoices in the Templates pane, the place where all your invoice designs are stored. An easy click on Invoices will display an array of invoice templates. Your task is to find the specific invoice template you wish to customize with your bank details. Hover over that chosen template until you see the option to edit and click on it. This editing option allows you to dive deeper into the specifics of how your documents look and feel, offering a personalized touch, which is vital for any business communication. On the left sidebar, your next stop should be the Other Details section. This part of the template design houses additional information for your invoices that aren't always visible by default, but are essential for banking information. You should see an option to add your bank details in the next window. This is where all the magic happens. By clicking this option, you're enabling a feature that allows you to input crucial banking information directly into your invoices. A pop-up window will now appear, prompting you to enter your bank account details. Be accurate and thorough here because these fields are what your clients will see and use when paying you directly. Once you've diligently entered all your details, make sure your information looks as expected by clicking the Preview button. This option is all about quality control, providing a sneak peek at how your customers will see your invoices when they receive them. Finally, once you've verified everything looks correct, seal the deal by clicking Save. This ensures that your bank details are now a permanent part of your invoice templates, easing the process for future invoicing and payments. And there you have it. A comprehensive way to add bank details to your invoices in Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, this method will enhance your invoicing process and simplify payments. Thank you for watching and happy invoicing.